and in Shona becomes the prefix na, or the prefix ne. You can see I've put dots after the translation of and, because when we translate and to Shona, it becomes a prefix to the words. We'll show you in the examples that we're going to go through shortly. The first example, Tendai and Peter are running. This becomes Tendai na Peter vari kumanya. Tendai na Peter vari kumanya. So na, the translation na, is used when you're referring to humans. So you must remember this. Na is used when you're referring or when you're combining ideas.